Hey everyone, today's a snowy blowy day outside and the kids have just come in from playing out in the snow. So I decided it would be fun to make some hot chocolate and I found a recipe using our deluxe cooking blender. So I've added 4 cups of milk in my blender already and it calls for a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, which I'm going to pop that in. And a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt going in. I'm pretty sure that's it. Just let me double check my recipe. Don't mind me. Milk, yeah. So the chocolate chips go in after. So I'm going to put my lid on and lock it. And I'm going to switch it to sauce. And I'm going to push my button and we'll see you when this is ready to add our chocolate chips. It'll be loud. So we're back to check on our hot chocolate. It took a little while on the sauce setting to get everything to temperature inside. Without curdling the milk. That's the most important part. So now we're at the add-in section of the recipe. So we're going to take the lid off, add our chocolate chips. There's a cup of chocolate chips. We're going to put our lid back on and then we're just going to pulse it for a minute till it's all combined because they're going to melt. It's nice and hot inside. So it'll be loud for 1 second here. Go. It looks like it's all nicely melted and combined. It's so hot in there. It got to over 80 degrees, I believe, wasn't it? So it's nice and hot. So let's give it a pour. I'm pretty sure the children are within earshot. They're like waiting for their marshmallows and everything. So let's give it a pour. Can you see me over here? So it's nice and foamy. Everything is nicely combined and smooth. And there we go. Hot chocolate in the deluxe cooking blender. I've given the kids all of their hot chocolate and they're adding their marshmallows now. I thought I better actually taste it while I have you guys watching. And it is really rich. It's nice. It makes it perfect temperature. It's really chocolatey. And it's like done in no time. It's awesome. So you could always set it up, head outside to play, and it'll be ready by the time you come in. Fantastic.
Yum, yummy.